Hey everyone, if Telegram is not sending the verification code, whether you are trying to log in or sign up, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, wait a few minutes. Sometimes Telegram servers may be delayed and the code can take longer to arrive. Next, check your internet connection. If your network is slow or unstable, Telegram may not be able to send or receive the code. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data or turning on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turning it off. If you are logging in with your phone number, make sure you enter the correct number with the right country code. A small mistake in the number can prevent Telegram from sending the code. Now check if the code is being sent to your Telegram app instead of SMS. If you are already logged in on another device, Telegram might send the code there instead of sending an SMS. Open Telegram on another device or check your linked email if enabled to see if the code arrived. If you still don't get the code, request a call instead. After waiting for a while, you will see an option to receive a call. Tap it and Telegram will call you with the code. Also, make sure your phone is not blocking Telegram messages. Some SMS blocking apps, spam filters, or carrier restrictions might be preventing Telegram's message from coming through. Try disabling these temporarily. If none of these work, restart your phone and try again. If the issue continues, contact Telegram support by visiting telegram.org/support. And there's it. Hopefully, your verification code issue is now fixed. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram fixes. See you in the next one.